Hello everybody, we are at the DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel in Dallas near the Galleria, and this is a 1 king bedroom. So I just walked in, there's like a little mini hallway, and immediately to the left you have your closet and the bathroom. So I'll go ahead and open this. All right, in here we have a safe and an ironing board. There's a hair dryer. The iron is over there. And then you've got lots of space for hangers. And up there you've got cabinet space for if you wanted to put your suitcase so it's out of the way. I'll close those doors. Then on this side, you've got all your necessities. You've got your towels and your washcloths. They have soap and Kleenex and makeup removers, all that stuff. And they have body lotion on the wall. Then you come in here. Here's the restroom. Toilet paper, waste bin, some kind of cool fancy art on the wall. And then you come on this side. You've got your bathtub. It's a nice wall. I like kind of like the pattern of it. There's the shower head, and it's got one of those bars you can hold on to if you need to. Yeah, there's the tub. And then they do provide shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner on the wall, so that's always really nice. All right, we're gonna head back out here. Okay, so now we're coming back into the main room. So I'll take you this way. They've got some art on the walls, and they've got lots of lamps, which is nice for the lighting. It's kind of a more yellow light, which is really nice. So here we have lots of little tables, little side tables. It's got lots of room to put whatever you need in there. They've got outlets, also very nice. Here's the king bed. Then you come over here. Got the same thing, I think, actually pretty much identical over here. And you got a chair with an ottoman and a table. More lamps. There's the blinds. Over here you got, this is a very big desk. I don't know how big it'll look in the video, but it is very big. It's a very long desk. Perfect if you got to do work here. I know they hold a lot of conferences here, so this is perfect. And they've got a rolly chair that you can also use. And then there is a little bit more room right there. Put stuff in there. There's another wastebasket, and then there's one of those things, I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but they hold your luggage, I believe. Then you come over here and you've got lots more cabinets. There's the TV. They've got an ice bucket and cups for use. They've got a little Keurig. And if you open the door, there is the mini fridge. So that is the DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel in Dallas near the Galleria. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.